Today's video is about video. I'm going to show you how you can get started with video editing, why it's an essential skill for independent artists, and which software to use. So let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to Music Unfiltered. Videos are becoming the most important media on the internet, and they perform 38% better than images. 38%. So learning how to edit video is really important, and it also has a ton of benefits for artists. And not only that, but like the better you become at it, the more you can do. So you probably start off by like creating small edits for your social media content, and eventually you're gonna get better at it and you can start making your own lyric videos and music videos. You might even find that you like video editing more than music, and you'll be like, okay, I'm just gonna become a video editor. Who knows? But you can't do any of that if you don't know how to edit or where to start. So allow me to enlighten you. First, you need a video editing software. And I know you're all used to like downloading an app that does everything for you, but it's not gonna work for this one. You will actually need a software and a computer if you wanna make like high quality content. There are a bunch of software out there that let you edit video, and the two most famous ones are actually the ones I use, and they are Premiere Pro and After Effects, made by the company Adobe. Probably heard of it before. There are, however, other options like Avid, Final Cut, Movavi, etc. And some people prefer those, but I like Premiere Pro and After Effects for two reasons. First of all, they have everything you will ever need, and there are a shit ton of plugins out there. They can literally do anything. Two, they integrate seamlessly together and with other Adobe products like Illustrator, Photoshop, thanks to Adobe Media Link. And I know you're probably wondering what the fuck is Adobe Media Link. Don't worry about the name. It simply means that you can basically import any Adobe type file into any of their software and it will just work out of the box. You don't have to convert it, you don't have to export, you don't have to do anything. So for example, if you draw some on Illustrator and you just drag and drop that file into Premiere and you make some changes into Illustrator, it will immediately reflect into Premiere without you having to actually save the file and then import it again, etc. And this will make your life a lot easier. Oh, and by the way, this video is not sponsored. I can hate Premiere sometimes, but
it is what it is.
Now, one thing I get asked a lot is what's the difference between After Effects and Premiere, and why can't I just use one of them? Premiere is mainly a video editing software, and After Effects is a compositing software. Chinese, I know, let me explain. Premiere was mainly designed to allow you to like assemble your videos together in a form of a sequence, you know, on a timeline, like linearly, and just to make some basic editing and, you know, like some transitions, etc. And that's it. It wasn't made for like the heavy duty stuff. After Effects, however, was made for like everything else that is very complex and requires a lot of processing, etc. So if you want to do some basic edits, add some text and, you know, move things around, layer some audio, Premiere Pro is your guy. If you want to do some VFX and like some complex stuff, color grading, etc., this thing, for example, you probably want to use After Effects. And I can make like an hour-long video talking about the differences between the two, but for now this is all you need. And if you're just getting started, you will probably only use Premiere for like 90% of your projects. So yeah, this was a short introduction to video editing. Next week we are going to talk about video recording. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. And as usual, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will answer them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.